So this should be the last part of the video. We'll kind of go into the y-intercept value and interpretation. And so for this, we would we want to interpret the y-intercept value. So the y-intercept value is negative 111 and 5600. And that negative 100, about 100 and 1100, about 112, is the ice cream sales when x is 0. So when the temperature is 0, and we're going to assume we're talking about degrees Fahrenheit. F-E-R-E-N-H-E-I-T. Did I spell that right? Oh my goodness. Define Fahrenheit. It's weird. There's no spell check on it. All right. I'm pretty sure I spelled that wrong. Define degrees Fahrenheit. F-E-R-F-A-H-H-R-E-N-H-E-I-T. There we go. Spell check did not help me there. Google Docs tricks using the define feature. All right, Fahrenheit. When the temperature is 0 degrees Fahrenheit, the sales would be about negative 111.50, so negative dollars. This could mean that you would lose $111.50 on a day where the temperature was 0. That's what that would mean. So that could have a more realistic interpretation than the weight and tackles there. Okay. I'm going to change the formatting here to left align. That looks a little bit better. Maybe here too. I kind of like this one center aligned. And center aligned makes sense for like working this out. So if the temperature is 62 degrees, copy this here and paste it in there. If the temperature is 62, what is the predicted number of ice cream sales? So y is what we're looking for, would equal 4.09. Oops, that's a minus, not an equals. Equal 4.09 times x is 62 minus 111.561. In this case, it actually might make most sense to rethink this. We're talking about dollars, so it might make sense just to eliminate the 161, like just round that off because it would round to 56. So just kind of keep that there. All right, so for this, I could get a calculator out and do this. You could try and do it by hand, but again, if you go to like a Google search and literally like paste it in there, it tells you what this is. And this is 142, but in terms of copying and pasting, you can literally come in here, select the text, Control C, and then y equals Control Shift V, 142. And I want to interpret this. So the temperature, you would, and based on the chart, they're all even dollar amounts. So I'm going to round this to a dollar amount. You would sell about $142 worth of ice cream. That's that. So 20 minutes of instruction kind of shows you how to work your way through these problems. And we didn't really work much with the correlation coefficients, so we'll get to that in the next lesson and how to interpret that.